Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to deactivate or delete an Instagram account. So the first thing that we are going to do right here is to open our Instagram app. And then once we open our Instagram app, what we're going to do here is to click on our profile icon, which is on the bottom right corner of the screen. And then in this part, just go here on the upper right corner of the screen and then click the three horizontal lines. Once you do that, click Account Center. And then in the Account Center, just look for Personal Details, which is under the account settings. So click on that also. Now in this part, you will see this account ownership and control. Now all you have to do is to click on that. Now we have two options, which is memorialization and then deactivation or deletion. So we're going to click on deactivation or deletion. And then in this part, just choose your Instagram account. So in this case, this is my account. Now, after doing that, you will have two options, which is to deactivate your account and delete your account. So just choose which one you prefer right here. But let's say, for example, that you are deactivating your account. So we're going to click on this and then click on continue. After that, click on continue again. And then after that, just type your password. And then after that, just choose the reason why you want to deactivate your account. So I'm going to just click on just need a break and then click on continue once again. After that, before you deactivate, make sure you read this text right here, but I will just skip it. I'm going to click this 7 days right here and then click don't reactivate automatically and then click on done. After that, click on continue. And then after that, just click deactivate account. After clicking that, your account will now be automatically deactivated on Instagram. So that is basically it.